We are walking and talking and freaking and yelling and busting and speaking and looking at a point. No one tell us what to do with your high top shoes and your wavy toes. With the black shows, don't let them get away. Don't think they can play you. Nail up to the wall, cause you really need to say. Gotta go very late back out. My ride back, flannel jacket.
He's fat and he don't run too fast, but he's faster than me.
Shout my walkie-talkie man.
Last night at the show we saw him going out of his dream.
Just the drums.
He's fat and he don't run too fast, but he's faster than me. Last night at the show we saw him going out of his tree. He's a walkie-talkie.
We are walking and talking
He's
and
fat and he don't run too fast, but he's faster than me. Last night at the show we saw him going out of his tree.
Shout my walkie-talkie man. Shout, 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 shout. Shout my walkie-talkie. We are walking and talking.
Wind me up, put me down, stop me up and watch me go. I'll be running circles around you sooner than you know. A little love Santa and I'm out of June, just kicking this can along the avenue. But I'm alright, 'cause it's easy once you know how it's done. You can't stop now, it's already begun. You feel it running through your bones, and you jerk it out. Jerk it out. Shut up, hush your mouth, can't you hear you talk too loud? No, I can't hear nothing 'cause I got my head up in the clouds. I bite off anything that I can chew. I'm chasing cars up and down the avenue, but that's okay, 'cause it's easy once you know how it's done. You can't stop now, it's already begun. You feel it running through your bones, and you jerk it out. Cause it's easy once you know how it's done. You can't stop now, it's already begun. You feel it running through your bones, and you jerk it out. And you jerk it out. When you jerk it out, you gotta jerk it out. But baby, don't you know you really gotta jerk it out? When you jerk it out, baby, don't you know you really gotta jerk it out? When you jerk it out, baby, don't you know you really gotta jerk it out?
Well, just because she feeds me well and she made me talk dirty in a pink hotel, it doesn't mean she's got eyes for me. She might just want my body.